Hey everyone, I'm Maybe, and today I want to share the real story of how I found my passion for Java. Trust me, it wasn't smooth at all. It all began in my second PUC. We were introduced to C++ and honestly, I didn't understand anything. I just by-hearted the programs, wrote the exam and moved on. Then I graduated and joined BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications. First came C language, intimidating, so again, by heart and pass. Then C++ again, by heart and pass. In fact, during my board practicals, I even lost marks because I couldn't debug my own code. Because well, I never really understood it. Then came Java. It felt like a mix of C and C++. I understood something, but not completely. In 5th semester, we had to do a mini project. I chose Java with Swing. Big mistake, maybe, because it took all my time. I think I visited Stack Overflow more times than the number of hairs on my head. I had to research databases, Java connections, everything. In my final year, I switched to Python and Django using a Udemy course because doing another project in Swing would have been a total nightmare. After graduation, I did my master's in MCA. We started again with C programming, but this time I decided to understand things properly, not syllabus, not by hearting, just learning concept by concept. And I realized it was actually easier than I had thought. Then I learned C++. Same story. Suddenly everything made sense. And then Java came again. And I don't know how to explain this, but as if by magic, every concept I read just made sense. My friends were struggling, but I felt so comfortable. I started writing my own programs and practicals. I could debug. I finally understood the language. I was so happy. And that's when my passion for Java became real. Not because I was an expert, but because I finally understood it from the inside. So that's my journey from by-hearting code to actually loving the language. If you're struggling with programming right now, trust me, everyone starts there. Keep learning at your pace. But most importantly, love what you do. Don't sit and study programming just because others tell you to. Take your time. Understand it at your own pace. Enjoy coding. Don't stress yourself. If you're having trouble understanding coding like I am, don't worry. I'll be sharing everything I learn in simple, clear videos. I wish you all the best in your coding journey. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.